Transportation, the one I've said earlier is this one. So one of the pain points when you're using native apps for things like transportation is that when you wanted to get the information fast, installing apps is a friction. Meaning if it's a friction, it adds additional steps, meaning that it's going to waste your time just to do simple tasks. So since it's a pain point, it's an opportunity for progressive web apps since you don't have to install anything. So that's what you could leverage. So one of the examples that I have here is Project Trend. So this is a train tracker for LRT. This is a project that came from our ideas before with Stephen when we joined hackathons. So basically, this is a train tracker for the LRT1. So let's say I'm going to ride the, like let's say I'm a foreigner, I don't speak Tagalog, I don't know what to ask, where is this station? And I just wanted to know, like, when should I get down the train, for example. So let's try utilizing this no install technology or this feature. So what I'm going to try is to install this. Let's say I'm going to ride the LRT now, and I see the QR code posted somewhere in there. Just go and scan this and open this. Okay, and from there, it's loading. See that I could already use the PWA instead of installing it. So this increases the possibility that a user would use your app because they don't have to install it. Okay, so let's try. Okay, wait. So let's say the nearest station here is, for example, EDSA. And then let's try going to Monumento, for example. It's a little bit slow. And here, the cool thing about PWAs is that we have different APIs available already. One of this is the geolocation API, and it could actually get your location real time. So it could track, let's zoom in so you could see. Okay. So it actually tracks your speed in real time. And also, one of the APIs said was the share something API. So I have it in here. So let's say I wanted to tell my friend or my Twitter followers where I am right now. So the only thing I have to do is instead of taking a screenshot or something, I just have to tap share ride. Okay. And then a share sheet would show. Then from there, I could, let's try to tweet this one. Okay, there. And from there, I could already tell that I just wanted to let you know that I am at EDSA. So you may also track and share at which exact official LRT1 station you're nearby with Project Trend. So from there, diba, it's fast. Okay. And that link, actually, I've used Firebase real-time database for that. So when a friend opens that, they could see in real time where I am. It's one of the cool things of this thing.